Hi everyone, my name is Diane and I am the Community Service Librarian at PSPO. Today I would like to recommend The Home Edit, a guide to organizing and realizing your house goals by Clea, Shearer, and Joanna Teplin. During the past several weeks, I've discovered that I really need to adopt a new approach to home organization. When you're being healthy at home, there's just no escaping it anymore. Does this sound familiar to any of you? Well, if it does, then you should definitely check out this book. The Home Edit is a popular home organization business based out of Nashville, Tennessee, that serves clients all over the country, including many celebrities. In this, their first book, we were able to bring Clea and Joanna's expertise right into our own homes, as they help us not only create spaces that function well, but that also look beautiful. With their signature Roy G. Biv, or rainbow, color organization and their fondness for labeling, the ladies take us through a three-step approach to organizing and maintaining any space: the edit, the assembly, and the upkeep. Sound intimidating? They recommend starting small. Starting with a drawer, they say, is the best way to get your feet wet organizing. Begin with something small and manageable, and then once you've accomplished that, you'll have the momentum to tackle that next space. The book includes tips and tricks for just about any space you might have, from fridges and pantries to closets and craft rooms. They even include the backstock cabinet, or a place to store those items you have extras on hand in your home just to be prepared. I imagine many of us will be thinking about this in the future. This is not your run-of-the-mill, boring organizational handbook. The Home Edits book is filled with tons of humor, real-life anecdotes, and full-color photographs. There is something for everyone, regardless of the size of your space or the size of your budget. If you enjoy the book, be sure to check out the Home Edits blog and also their social media presence for more tips and lots of laughs. Clea and Joanna also have a Netflix series in the works and a new book slated to be published this fall. Thank you for listening today, and I hope everyone is staying safe and well. I look forward to seeing you all in the library very soon. Have a great day.